Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by building a clear, savory broth. Combine 4 cups chicken stock, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon mirin in a medium pot. Add a 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 crushed cloves of garlic to infuse. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook uncovered for 20 minutes to concentrate flavor. Strain the solids through a fine mesh and return the clear broth to low heat so it stays hot while you prepare noodles, proteins, and vegetables for assembly. For noodles and toppings, cook fresh or dried ramen in boiling water for 3 minutes to reach al dente texture. Drain and rinse briefly under warm water to stop cooking. For protein, sear 4 ounces pork belly or firm tofu until crisp, then slice into about 1/4-inch pieces for even bites. Prepare your garnishes: 1 soft-boiled egg halved, 1/2 cup sliced scallions, 1/4 cup corn, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, and to assemble, warm a shallow bowl and place 1 portion of cooked noodles inside. Ladle 2 cups of hot broth directly over the noodles so steam lifts aromas. Artfully arrange the seared protein, the 2 egg halves, and 3 tablespoons of prepared toppings like scallions, corn, and sesame seeds on top. Drizzle 1 teaspoon chili oil or soy if you want extra heat. Serve immediately and enjoy. If you have leftovers, cool quickly and store covered in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Then reheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.